Hi everyone. So I hope you guys saw my shorts that I posted. I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago. I don't remember. I was at I went to Hobby Lobby and I also went to Dollar Tree. And at Dollar Tree, they had a sign that said that Christmas was 50% off, but it actually was ringing up 50 cents. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Dollar Tree clearance. They had one of these little green trees, so I snatched this one up. I had gotten one earlier in the year, but you know, when you put these together, it's very skinny. So I saw somebody where they just like zip tied two of them together, and it looked really cute and so much more full. So I'm gonna do that with the other tree that I got. And let's see, I got one of their signs. They had a lot of these like wall signs, but I only got one. And I don't remember seeing this one in the year. I could have probably just saw it and ignored it because I'm trying not to buy more of these wall signs, but I just thought this one was so cute. So I had to grab that one. Oh my gosh, they had a ton of these wooden sleighs. And last year I actually decorated one. I painted it and, you know, put like design stuff to it. And I loved it. So these were only 50 cents. I was so good. I didn't buy them all. They had a ton. I really like this one. I should have probably looked through the pile for more of this one. There was, I think, 3 or 4 different styles, but these two are my favorite styles that they had. So these 3 are all the same, and then I only got one of that one, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I only got one, but this one's so cute. Look, how cute would it be to dangle like little beads or like a little, what is it, snowflake off of here? So I should have looked for more. So my plan is not to go back until the 2nd. I'm trying to let some of these other people buy stuff up, so I'll be less tempted to buy it all. But I definitely want more of these sleighs if they still have some. And then I can't wait to show you something else in here that if they have more of, I would definitely buy. Let's see. They had these little Santa bows. I just think they're super cute. I think I can adjust the belt so it fits right in the middle because it's a little off and I want it more like this. So I think once I untie it, I can adjust it. So I got 2 of those. See, they're like a little wonky. They just need a little fixing. So I think I can fix that once I take it off of the packaging. So I got 2 of those. I got a couple kids books. So I got The Night Before Christmas, A Christmas Carol, and Santa and His Sleigh. So I was thinking these would be really cute to cut up. I can definitely use this for like a scrapbook layout. Add like, you know, when we go see Santa, and maybe add this on one side. I think would be really cute. We saw Santa. I've taken a Santa picture with Sunny Boy every year. We've never missed a year since he's been born. And this year our Santa pictures we took was at Disneyland and on our Disney cruise. So that was really fun. So I got those for crafting, not for reading. Then I got Pop Rocks. Like, who doesn't love Pop Rocks, right? So I grabbed those. Oh my gosh. So apparently this clearance started the day after Christmas. And I didn't get there, like I said, until, you know, like a day or two. And I'm like, why didn't anybody tell me? I would have gone sooner. So I'm so curious at what more they had before I got there. Look, they had the ornament containers. They have bells and stars. Stars you can use for anything. Like, I would use this in for Halloween. The little bells, it's in red. You can even use that for Valentine's Day. I regret not getting there right when the sales hit. So that way I could have got more stuff like this. Like, look at, like, oh, so amazing. And then it has like the little tie right here. So you could technically make it into like an ornament. So if you want to put like a little goodie in here and then hang it on the tree for somebody for Christmas. Or I was even thinking, again, hang some like beads and some chunky charms off of here would be so cute. And then the other thing I got was they had these little Santas. So I grabbed 2 of these. And I don't think I have these in my stash. Because, like, how am I going to decorate this? But since they were only 50 cents, I ended up picking up 2. I was thinking maybe trace it and cut it out and put, like, paper on here. But then I'm like, okay, that's going to be kind of plain. Like, what else do I do with these? So, I don't know. Do I put, like, Christmas fabric on here and use it as an ornament? I don't know. If you have any suggestions on what to do with these, please leave a comment down below and let me know. Because I'm kind of stumped on what to do with them. But for 50 cents, I'm like, I need them. Okay, here's what they had. That they had a ton of. That it was so hard for me not to buy them all. But realistically, like, they had like a fat stack that I'm like, I don't even know how much that was gonna be just in stickers. But they still had the gnome stickers. Like, it had to been a full box. Like, they must have found it in the back or something and pulled them out, because I don't know where all of these came from. Like, I remember when I found these, it was so hard to find. And then for them just to have like a thick stack. So, I mean, I literally just went to the peg and like grabbed this much and pulled it off. And I'm like, whatever I get, and that's what I'm taking. But yeah, this wasn't even a quarter of what they had available. So, for 50 cents, I was dying not to buy more. But like I said, hopefully other people will go in and buy them, so I won't be tempted to get any more. I got these jumbo snowflakes. These are so cute to alter. I've used these in the past. I did a video where I made a Christmas wand, and this was my background piece, and then I put a rosette on top and then decorated it from there. I ended up doing like a deer head off of it. It came out so cute. But yeah, these are the really big ones, like the size of your hand. So there's 3 in here, so I got those. Then I only found 1 pack of pencils, but I'm like, that's cool, that's good. And for my first year on YouTube, I did where I put an eye screw through the top and then dangled a chunky charm off of it. And I also did one where I stuck the head pin through the entire eraser this way and then did a chunky charm down that way. So these come out really cute if you alter them. So I got those. They had one of these elf tea towels right here, so I grabbed that one. They had quite a bit of these little dog cards, but I only got 2. This one is kind of smooshed, but I just thought it was really cute holiday cheer, so I grabbed those. I mean, for 50 cents, like, how can you not? Oh my gosh, the other thing they had a lot of that I was tempted to buy, but I didn't get them, were these little lights. Like, these can be used for anything. They don't have to be just for Christmas. So I'm actually going to pack these to take with me to Las Vegas. Sunny Boy is turning 21. It's so crazy. In like, what, 13 days or something? In 2 weeks. So I always decorate our hotel rooms. So I'm going to decorate like a casino theme for his birthday. So I figured these would be really cute just to put around the room. I'm not really sure what kind of setup they have, but I know at least they're going to have a dresser. So I could put these on there. And then, you know, if we have a table or something else, who knows? So yeah, I got these to take with us. And then the last little item I got here, which I think spilled a lot. It looks kind of empty. But if you are doing flower centers, these are the best ones to have. The ones from Dollar Tree, because they are so tiny. These are so stinking cute in the middle of flowers. This year, I don't know why I couldn't find these. So I used the ones from Hobby Lobby, which are a lot bigger. Like 2 of these would equal one of the Hobby Lobby ones. So I found silver. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and grab those. I know I had some in my stash, but I never even got to my Christmas boxes from my own stash this year. I went as far as pulling them out. I pulled out, I think, 3 boxes, but I never actually went through it or used anything from my stash. Ugh, you know, I always have such high hopes and big dreams that I'm going to do all these things and I think I'm going to have the time. But when it comes time to it, I always run out of time and I don't understand how. Like, so anyways, that's one of the goals for next year, is to do more craft with me videos. I know I did a little short series for Christmas with you guys of where I was crafting, and that was just so fun to me, and I really want to get back into that and not just do a bunch of hauls and actually show you how I use the stuff. I know I explained to you my intentions of what I'm going to do with things when I buy them, but I think it's really helpful to actually see it, because I know I'm a visual person, so I really want to get back into making craft videos with you guys. So if there's anything specific you guys ever want to see from me, please let me know down in the comments. You know, if you're like, hey, can you do another chunky charm on video? Or, you know, can you do a pocket letter? Can you make a memory deck? You know, whatever you guys are interested in seeing, please let me know, because I do want to make a list of everything. I've pulled out my planner, so I want to get back into my planner. I always fall off like in June. I don't know why. Like, once the summer comes, I guess we just get busier, that I just fall off on using my planner, that at the end of the year, I'm like scrambling to like remember things and stuff that is just awful. So that's another goal for me for next year, is to stay consistent in my planner. So yeah, if you guys have any video suggestions or anything at all that you want to see, let me know. I'm going to stick it in my planner. I was thinking about maybe doing like a planner video on Sundays of showing you guys how I use my happy planner. So maybe I'll do that, and maybe that'll keep me motivated to use my planner more. So we'll see. Lots of ideas for 2023, but we'll have to see what I actually end up doing and have time for. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys were able to get out to your Dollar Tree and hopefully get some of these items for 50 cents. Oh, I know, I wanted to show you guys my receipt to show you that I actually did get this stuff for 50 cents. So you can see right here, all of the stuff came out for 50 cents. How wild is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. 50 cents, better than half off. So anyways, that's our little video for today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.